Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. As you can see here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the pro mode, so let's tap on this. Here we are. The Pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation. So by using this slider we can easily make our photo just more bright or more dark as we need. So this is kind of light managing, and this is really easy here. Now let's move to the next one button. This is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture, and as you can see in Kelvin degrees, by using this slider, by going to the left we can make it more cold, and by going to the right we can make it more warm. So this is how it works. And here also we have some useful button. When we want to go back to auto white balance, we can easily tap on this button here with manual, and now it's changed to the auto, so the settings with white balance came back to the auto settings. Now let's move to the last one button here. This is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see by using this slider we can make it less sensitive from 100 and more sensitive to 800. So this is how it works, and also here we can easily come back to auto settings by tapping on this button here with manual. So now this is on auto. Now let's move to this settings bar. Lots of this settings is also with the standard photo mode, but I want to show you one of this button from the right. When we tap on this we can pick the metering. Now it's center weighted metering. We can change it to the matrix metering and also to the spot metering. So this is how it works. Now let me take a picture. And now let's go here to the left corner. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery. So this is picture I've taken. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.